Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is George and this is SaaS Master. Today we're going to check out Find That Lead, which is in a lifetime deal right now. So that means if you buy it now, you can use it forever. And that deal will be in the description. So if you guys want to grab it, it'll be right there. So the deal is 49 bucks, and what you get with those $49 is 2,000 credits a month. So that means 2,000 leads or 2,000 verifications, and that is monthly. So it just renews every month for a lifetime. You get all these tools available from this deal. So let's jump into the dashboard of Find That Leads. And what you're going to be able to do is verify emails, find prospects, and even send emails to those prospects from here. So this is the main dashboard, and what you're going to do is you can search for a certain person if you know their name and the domain that they come from. So let's just say if you were searching for Microsoft, like office.com, this is just an example, and you would search for that name. So for example, you got 184 search results, but if you knew the name of the person, it'll find that person for you. So that really helps out a lot. Now there's two ways of finding the emails on the domain. One is jumping into the dashboard, which is time consuming and you might not want to do that. The other option is to download the Chrome extension if you're using Chrome. All right, so I got this site open. So this is pCloud site, and what I'm going to do is click on the Chrome extension right here, and it'll automatically search for the emails right here. So see right here, we found, you got the title, so it's CEO. This is the email he uses. This is the other email, CTO and software engineer. You got all these emails really fast and really easy. So you see right here that if I want to verify this email, by doing that, I can click on it and I got a yellow tick mark. So it's guess. So that means it's not fully verified. We didn't get that little green dot that makes it verified. So it could bounce. So it's not safe to actually send it, but you can, all right? So you can test it. If you're sending out mass emails with an email marketing tool, maybe you don't want to risk it because you can get a bounce and you might get like a spam from that email provider that you're using from the email. But if not, you got that. Now, just to show you something comparable that it also uses, for example, Hunter.io is a free service for up to 50 leads. And what it does the same thing. It finds leads for you. So what I'm going to do is search for leads on two domains just to give you a comparison of what we're going to do. So let's grab this pCloud one. Let's grab pcloud.com. Let's go over to domain search. Let's search here in Hunter.io. Now, something that I've noticed from Hunter.io and Find That Lead, it's the kind of similar. So you got the three options, all, personal, and generic. And even if you search, they're using Ajax, so the search results appear as in Hunter. So I think they're kind of similar. So in this case, we got 22 results. Let's head on over to Find That Lead and do the same thing. So let's grab pCloud and let's do a bulk search. All right. And we got 27 results. So we got more results here than in actually Hunter. So that's pretty interesting that Find That Lead found more leads than actually Hunter. So I think that's a good thing, right? So in this case, it's a straightforward tool. Search for the domain if you want to find the emails of that person, or if you want to send a proposal to that company. Well, this is the way you would do it, right? Search for the emails. Next thing you have is the social search. Now, social search, I think it's an okay service. The bad part about it is that it can only search for LinkedIn and Twitter profiles. So right now I have this Twitter profile, and I'm going to copy this link, and I'm actually going to try to search the email on it. I haven't done it. I'm not sure what results I'm going to get, but hey, let's try it, right? So one thing that you're going to do, all right, is that, so you can see right here, there's no email information. This is a profile. All right, and what results did we get? So it says SaaS Master, it found the domain, and smaster@saas.co. So this is not right. I do not have that email, and this is my site, saasm.co. So if you guys want to check it out, go for it. But this is not the email I use. So in this case, it did not grab the right email from this social profile. Now, I have another Twitter account that we're also going to do a test on. Let's go check it out. This is my other Twitter account, my personal one, and I'm going to grab this profile and we're going to test it also. So let's see, search, and let's see what results we get. So no email on this one. Now what I have to say is that this profile is been with me, this Twitter email profile. It's been like about 6 years, 7 years, so it should have found the email, I'm guessing. So the only way it'll find the email, what I'm thinking is if the email is actually in the profile, in the description or something like that, it will grab it. If not, it won't detect the email. So that's what I'm just looking at right now. Now let's actually do the test also with LinkedIn. Oops, LinkedIn. All right. So let's jump into LinkedIn and let's grab my profile to do the test. All right, so here is LinkedIn, and let's actually grab this profile. All right, so there's a LinkedIn for this profile. Let's save it. Let's grab it over here. Let's do a search, and nothing found. Found the name, but nothing found. So let's try mine then. All right, so this is mine. Let's wait for it to load. All right, so here's a link. Copy, put it over here. Search. Nothing found. So in my point of view, the social search, it doesn't work. Just simple and plain as that. If the email is somewhere in the profile, so let's just say this is a profile and I put my email here, then it would have detected. If not, then it's not searching for it. That's what I'm just deducting right now with this. All right. All right, so next tool would be Verify. In the Verify, what it does is that you can put names here one by one or do a bulk CSV file. So if this is my email, right? So let's do this, gmail.com. Let's do a search and guest email, right? So we have this, click to copy, and it's guest, all right? Let's put a bogus email and see what happens. So let's just put like something right here. I really doubt that exists. So email not found. All right, let's try another email. So info@sasm.co. Search for that. Guest email. All right, so it found it. So that's how email verifier works. And you can do a bulk upload, like I said. Email sender. Once you have an email sent to list where you have a campaign, before we head to this one, let's jump to Prospector. So Prospector, what it does is that you can search for emails from companies with certain criteria. So in this case, you can name this list. This list would be called test in this case. And what it does is you can select the city or country. So in this case, let's just say San Diego. All right. Oh, that didn't grab it. Sorry, this thing is messing up. All right, so that's San Diego. I can add another city, so you can say Los Angeles or whatever. So you got over 50,000 prospect leads. Next thing we have job title, so we're gonna add marketing. So let's just say marketing, communication manager, just marketing. All right, so that's the job title that we're looking for with the search we're gonna do. Industry, so it could be, I don't know, construction. All right, construction. Because maybe I have a product to sell to these guys that has to do with prospects. So let's just say I created an app and it's for a marketing for construction people, right? Just thinking. And here is the company size. So I would say if, say, you know what, I'm searching for small companies, I would go for less than, I don't know, 1150, 51 to 200. If I'm a big company and I have a super awesome deal that I want to offer them and I think it's really important that people will go for it, that I'll search for companies with over, what, 10,000 employees. So that's a lot of employees, right? So maybe I have something like that. In this case, we're going to do 11 to 50 employees, right? Oops. Okay. Remove that one myself, 10, and up to that, up to 200. Company name, I won't put a company name. I want to search in general. Do I want to do some keywords? So I can say, like, you know what, Caterpillar. I can do, I don't know, companies that would have to do with construction in this case. But in this case, it just jumped to 64. So let's see a lead preview. There you go. These are the lead previews that we got. Let's generate the list. Let's see what we can get. So the list turned out to be smaller because we searched for smaller criteria. Now in this case, I got 64 leads. I would need to upgrade this. But if not, you got these options right here. So you can grab the email from this, generate emails for these 5 leads, and grab that information. So generating emails for these, all right. 3 out of 5, 4 out of 5, and 5 out of 5. There you go. These are the emails right here. You can click to option to grab those right there. Easy peasy, right? So you got a whole bunch of leads that you can grab in this Prospector tool that you can do, right? So here's a list that I created, and you can see the batch leads, prospects, current batch, see current, and action. Next thing you have is the my leads. So these are the leads that you grab. See how different this is. So you got a green like a go and an orange right there. So let's go to email sender. And an email sender, you should be able to grab the contacts right here or upload a CSV. So let's grab a CSV and do a test. Okay, so let's drag in this list right here. And this is my mail poet list. So let's grab that. It's gonna upload and then avoid deleting duplicate emails. So I wanted to do it automatically. I won't remove that. And this is the list that I have, and it's bigger than this, but it's giving me what it has. So it's emails, name, last name, state of this list. So are they subscribed or unsubscribed, and the name of my list. Jump over to templates. Let's see how powerful this is. We removed 24 invalid or blacklisted emails. All right, so that's pretty cool. So it removed it automatically for me. So I think that's awesome. All right, so what is this email going to have? So let's just say subject. You can say name. So these are emails these are like custom tags that they will put automatically. So it'll grab the name from that CSV and it'll customize it. So you could say grab this deal and it'll put his name. Grab that deal. Whoa. All right. And then you can do the same right here. So just write up an email. You got all these options. You got font size. You got font style. You got these font styles. Not a lot of them, but at least you have, at least you have options, right? You got size of the font. You got bold, italic, underlined, scored, strikes through, centered. You can move the link. So just say like hello and just blah, 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 right? You write whatever. You can add some of these. So you can say like hello. Also put the tag inside here and just put whatever. And you can say state, you are, subscribed to this list and why. You can say that. And if the list important for you, if you want to put that, you can add that there. You go to signature maker to create the signature. Once that's done, you're going to preview it. Obviously, it's plain and simple because this is just showing you what it's going to do. And you can schedule and send, which I'm not going to do because this is just a testing video, all right? So basically, that is Find My Lead. What do I think about it? I think it's an okay tool. I think it's a good deal because it's a lifetime deal. And what you would get 2,000 credits, I think it's enough for most people. I mean, what it's going to do is just going to renew. So maybe you say, hey, you know what? I want to get at least 10,000 leads, all right? So just wait up, all right? And if you need more leads, then buy separate accounts because you can't link this. This is not stackable, so you can add more codes to it. That's what on my thoughts. And what I didn't like, obviously, I didn't like I didn't like the social searcher, so I think that was pretty bad. It's basically worthless in my point of view. I'm not sure what the founder's gonna say about that. If he has other things that you know what, maybe you did this wrong, or maybe the search criteria is different. Whatever. Social just didn't work for me. Verify is plain and simple. Maybe you already have a verifier tool and you don't need this, then I say skip it. But if not, it's all right. The Prospector, I think it needs a lot of job with the Prospector. There should be way more filters on it. I mean, filters of that would help you fix this, not fix it, but make it better on the search results. Because you got 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 with the keywords. 5 filters that you could do to find the leads. So I think they should work on that part to make it a little bit better, get a little bit more fine-tuned when you get those leads. And something you have to consider with this Prospector tool is that if you just grab all these leads and start sending out emails, you're going to get a whole bunch of, it could ruin your email account because most of them are going to say, you know what, this is spam. I never signed up to this account. So that's something that you have to consider with these type of tools. Saying that, like I said, at the end of the day, I think it's an okay tool. It's worth it for the lifetime deal. For 49 bucks, having 2,000 leads a month is a definite buy for me. All right, guys, thank you for watching. My name is George, and this is SaaS Master. See you guys later.